Thursday night in the neighborhood. What the fuck? What is going on? I'm trying to go out here. What? What is that? I'm trying to get out. What is all of this? Look at this. What are you doing? He's just pulling him right up to the stoop. Hello? Hello? What is this, a hit? What the fuck are these people doing? Okay, we got lightning, thunder, and I gotta get across the street. I gotta get there. Like right there, Bella Luce, I have to get there. And we got issues here. I think I'm going in bed. Why are all these people turning at the stoop? What the fuck's going on here? Look at this one. What's going on in the neighborhood here? People need to really fucking watch out. What are you doing here, cuz? What are we doing over here? BMW. Get out of here. We drive Cadillacs around here. Get about. Oh, he's picking that up. Picking up that brajol, huh? Uh-huh. Little booty call. Oh, what the fuck was that? Alright, I'm still on the stoop. Oh, what the fuck? Let me see if I can get a lightning strike for you right now. I mean, what is the world coming to an end over here? My friends are over there. I gotta get there. Check out the sky. Let's see what happens. We're holding it strong. I don't see a 74 anywhere. Street light. Oh, there you go. A little lightning. Basil's getting watered. Nicey nice. Look at this. Look at this fucking mama lugada. Where are you running to, you fucking idiot? Stupid ass. Like, you're not going to get wet? What does he think he's going to do? Run between raindrops? It's a fucking monsoon. Jag off. Okay. A 3-minute clip from the stoop. Thursday. What the fuck was that? Thursday night. Shenanigans are on pause right now. I just have to get right there. Everybody's in there. I gotta get right there to the bar. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm just holding it so you can see the sky. Get a little lightning. I'll probably get struck. Let's hold it up there for a minute. See if we get a nice lightning bolt across the sky. Probably fucking zap me. Where's the buses? Where's everything? Alright, that's it. The storm is over. Coming this way. It's blowing in strong. A little lightning here and there. It's really, look at that. Wow. Blowing strong, man. Alright, I'm going back. I don't think I'm making it across the street. What am I going to do? What do I want to do? Social club emptied out. We got a monsoon. I'm getting... Oh, wow. Alright, that's it.